Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to perform an entire drivetrain cleaning under 5 minutes. If you have any questions about what you see me doing, feel free to leave a comment, and please like and subscribe to the channel, which is always appreciated. So let's get started. Sometimes you just don't want to do a 2-hour long drivetrain cleaning. Sometimes you just want to ride your bike. But especially in wet conditions on a bike with no mud guards, you basically have to clean your bike after every ride. So in my maintenance arsenal, I have a 5-minute drivetrain cleaning which ensures a smooth ride and is something you can do before you hop on the saddle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what your cleaning routine is to keep riding in winter, and be sure to check out the next video. Bye for now.